The young kids coming up are definitely nipping at our heels and making us progress at a rapid pace, but at the same time, those young kids from Canada are probably in the top 10 in the world.
So what's interesting about the Olympics is that there's only 4 Canadians that can go compete at the Olympics. And that's really different for us because we're used to have all the Canadians compete at every contest. It's gonna be a battle to know who's gonna get those 4 spots to the Olympics.
Canada's got the most insane team ever.
It's nuts. It's like, and people even see it. They, 5 out of 10 finalists are Canadian, or top 5 is Canadian.
Always asking us what we drink, what's in our water up there.
Yeah, we're doing something right.
Something's happening up there that's got a lot of borders going crazy.
Yeah. We just like to have fun, and it translates into our snowboarding.
It's been descending from the legends like Kevin Walsh, and Mark Soler,
Michael Chuck, all those guys.
All above us, they inspired us, and they put the fire under all.
And now we're trying to keep the flame lit for them, for Canada. Mark McMorris is definitely one of those guys that has been doing it and killing it for a long time.
Right now I'm feeling really good, and one of my main goals is to have fun and get the tricks back that I was doing at one point, and it's gonna be tough to make that 4-person team, but not really too worried. Hope to not have to worry.
We are like a big family, There's not many sports that you compete at such a high level and people is actually cheering for everyone that's actually dropping. I think they're all great riders, and I think the vibe with all the Canadian team right now is amazing. We probably have the best team right now, and the vibe is at the best we've ever been.